Houkhiba Numitta Imphal Ukhrul Road ta Chattharakkhiba ambush pu Yaningdaba Fongdoktuna Ngashi AHING NONGYAI TANG 18 FAOBA NUMIT humni gi OINA NAGA TABA MAPHAM SINGDA total shutdown LAOTHOKKHRE NAGA civilians ani laikhidaba thodok adugi matangda United NAGA Council na sinduna ngasi UNC gi office cha ansam NW amadi district apex body singna pangthokiba emergency meeting da warep asi laukhibani MAPHAM aduna National Highway 202 da laiba TM Kasom village chathokiba thodok aduda Naga miyoi ani hatkiba thodok adu Naga gi dignity safety amadi territorial integrity da shingnabani haina fongdoki MAPHAM aduda Thamdok Francis President CNPO na luchingduna laikhidraba singi mafam da minute ani tomina leptuna ikai khumnaba utki Makhatana MAPHAM aduna kupna khanaraba tungda thodok adubu Yaningdaba Fongdoktuna oina total shutdown lauthokibani hairi Shutdown manungda emergency khaktamak komthokani hairi April tang 18 da Naga district headquarters sing amadi Imphal da numidangi pung 6 makhaida candlelight vigil pangthokani hairi amasung hairiba numit humni changna awaba fongdokpa asigi manungda cookie singa hiram amatada lalon itikna chingba hiram amatagi thabak tawroi hairi masida Naga singna mapung fana saruk yananaba UNC gi maikadigi appeal tawrakli
With the firing upon Tangku travelers yesterday by the Cookie militants at near TM Kasom, where 2 people were killed, many injured and many vehicles damaged. In this connection, the UNC convenes an emergency meetings with all the district apex bodies and frontal organization today. We condemn the barbaric act of the militants and took it as a direct challenge to the Nagas. In the meeting, we have decided to observe 3 days to mourn the deaths of the 2 Naga noble souls as per Naga customary practice, followed by candlelight vigils. During these 3 days mourning, there will be total shutdown with effect from midnight of 20th April to midnight of 23rd April. However, emergency services will be